All right, so last week we talked about prefixes and what prefixes are, and we practiced putting prefixes on root words and creating new words and their meanings. Well, this week we are going to talk about what a suffix is. So a suffix goes at the end of a root word and it changes what it means. And so let's look at the words that we're going to be talking about this week. We're going to be talking about suffix meant, which means like the action or the process of something. So we have the words like enjoyment, meaning in the action of enjoying something. Payment, which would be like the process of paying something. So improvement means I'm in the action or the process of improving something. Then we have suffix ity and ty, which means the state of, like a special tea, or in the state of being cruel, responsibility. Okay, responsible would be the root word. Responsibility would mean I'm in the state of being responsible. IBL and ABLE, meaning capable of being. So I'm capable of being responsible. I'm capable of being understanding. I'm capable of being depending. I'm dependable. And then the other one we're going to talk about is ick, having characteristics of. So like heroic, showing characters of a hero. Automatic, it's showing the action of something being automatic or having characteristics of something that is auto. Patriotic, I'm showing characteristics of being a patriot. So showing examples of being like caring for my country and showing that I care for it and those kinds of things. So if I were you, I would leave this list pulled up for the assignment. You will have a turkey body, and then you're going to have 5 feathers, and you're going to write a word using one of these suffixes, just like we did last week with the prefix, and then you will write what the new word means.